Hello again. I'm Jay Haley from Palmore Institute, and in this video, we'll be looking at our senior level writing class. This is video number 2 in the series. Now, last week, we introduced a lot of topics and kind of ideas and concepts. This week, it's going to be a lot more hands-on. We're going to take those concepts, things like topic sentence, topic, controlling idea, and use them, put them into practice. So if you think about last week, topic, sentence, controlling idea, topic, the points of a good topic sentence, if you don't remember any of this at all, it's a good idea, go back, watch the first video one more time just to review it. If, like most people, you feel like, yeah, I remember some of it, but not perfectly, you'll know enough. We'll review what we're talking about today. You'll see it again one more time, at least briefly. And again, you will get a chance to practice using some of these concepts. So let's get started with the video. First, I just wanted to remind you, last week we introduced this slide. It was at the end of the video, and we talked about the 5 features of a good topic sentence. And here they are, one more time, briefly. First, it guides the whole paragraph. Again, it needs to cover everything in the paragraph, all the points. So it needs to cover the whole topic of the paragraph, but not too much. It just needs to fit exactly right. Point 2. It's not something that's just a well-known fact. Point 3, it needs to be specific, but point 4, not too specific. You want the topic sentence to cover enough range that it'll fit a paragraph. Remember, right now we're just writing paragraphs, not essays. So you'll have maybe 100 to 200 words to get your idea in. It shouldn't be too big because it just doesn't fit a paragraph. But at the same time, it shouldn't be too narrow either. If there's not enough that you can say to support the topic sentence is too narrow and you'll need to broaden it. Finally, number 5, it has a controlling idea. Again, we'll talk a lot about controlling idea today, so you'll see what that means in the next couple slides. All right. So let's try this exercise. Exercise 1, it's called finding a good topic sentence. Now, before we even think about which one is the good topic sentence of these 3, let's just take a look at the sentences and first identify what is the topic. Remember, a topic sentence has a topic and a controlling idea. Okay. Let's see which one is the topic in these 3 sentences. Number 1 says, the escalator revolutionized shopping in cities. Number 2, escalators are very expensive. Number 3, an escalator is a moving staircase that carries people up and down. Okay, take a moment, you can pause the video, and once you've decided, unpause and decide which one is the topic of the sentence. Okay, so for these 3 sentences, the topic is escalators. All 3 sentences are about escalators. That is the topic. The question here next is, though, which is the best topic sentence? So looking at the 3, considering those 5 points we talked about, which sentence is best? Pause the video, read the sentences, decide which one, only one, is the best topic sentence, and then unpause when you're ready for the answer. Now here's my answer. Sentence 1. Sentence 1 is the best topic sentence. The escalator revolutionized shopping in cities. And it has a topic, which was escalators. It's got a controlling idea, and it's about the right size for a paragraph. So that one looks good. Let's take a look at the wrong answers and then talk about why they're wrong. So number two is not a good topic sentence. Escalators are very expensive. I think the problem here is this one is just a fact, and it probably is a very well-known fact. They don't look cheap, and most people know that already. With number two, it says an escalator is a moving staircase that carries people up and down. Much, much too narrow. This sentence is just a definition of what an escalator is. And it's going to be very hard to use this topic sentence to give any support, to add any support. You've almost said everything in this sentence. There's nothing else to say. So, number three, it's not a good topic sentence. Let's try one more example of this. These examples, 3 sentences once again, and the first question is, what is the topic? Okay. Let me read the sentences to you. Number 1 says, surfing is a water sport. Number 2, few people know the interesting history of surfing. And number 3, modern surfboards are made of polyurethane covered with fiberglass. Okay. Pause the video, think about what is the topic. When you're ready, come back. Okay, it looks like you're back. So which one is what is the topic here? The topic is, of course, surfing. It's mentioned in all 3 of these sentences, and that is the topic. The next question is, which one is the best topic sentence? Pause the video, decide which one of these is the best as a topic sentence. You'll see here, the best topic sentence is sentence number 2. Let's talk about why. Well, first, number 2 says, few people know the interesting history of surfing. Okay. It's introducing a paragraph which is going to give a brief history of surfing, and it promises that it will be interesting. I'm sure it is. It's a good sentence. It fits a paragraph. You could even use this for something longer, but perhaps we're not going to get so much detail here in just a paragraph. Nonetheless, that's a good topic sentence. Okay. Let's look at the ones that are not good topic sentences. Number 1, surfing is a water sport. It's just a definition of surfing, really. Very, very narrow topic sentence, just a definition. There's nothing more I can explain about this information. Yes, surfing is a water sport. You're finished. You just can't support that. Number 3, modern surfboards are made of polyurethane covered with fiberglass. And this is just a fact. It's very similar to number 1. Much too narrow. It's not going to be a good topic sentence. You can't write a lot more about this. Okay. At this point, I think it's a great time to take a short break. We'll end this video right here, and then in the next video, we'll continue with some more exercises. So, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.